Hi guys! Today I am doing a little tiny tutorial on a finger strengthening exercise for the left hand, particularly for the fourth finger. It's called eggs, and we're going to pluck each of our strings 3 times and actually sing a little song while we do it. Come take a good close look. I'm way up near fourth position, or near the center part of the instrument, and I'm going to touch the box with my hand and then take my pinky curled, grab this, and pull. Take my pinky curled, grab this, and pull. Take my pinky curled, move it over the D string, grab and pull, and then finally the G string, grab and pull. Really good pull with really good quality tone. Alright, here we go. Here are eggs. And here's me singing while I play. Ready? And eggs, 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 flying through the air, 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 landing in the dirt, 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 smashing on the ground, ground, ground. Let's do it again. Eggs, 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 flying through the air, 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 landing in the dirt, 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 smashing on the ground, ground, ground. Very good, guys. Whew, bravo. Yes, it's like going to the gym for your pinky every day, at least 3 times. Get those pinkies nice and strong and ready, and I will see you for the next tutorial.